Okay, welcome to Level 5 addition video. In Level 5, we again will have 7 numbers we need to add and subtract, but this time around we'll have 3 4-digit numbers. So our challenge to improve our speed and efficiency at our beadwork is continuing. So you want to pay close attention to practicing good technique so you can gain that speed that we need. Okay, let's go ahead and work on a first example problem here together, and I encourage you to follow along and see if you can get the same interim sums that I do. So let's start off with 226, and then we're going to add 730, so that gives me 956, and then we'll add 102, so now I have 1058, and then we're going to add 7,885, so 7,885. So now I have 8,943. And next we're going to add 4,263. So 4,263. And that gives me 13,206. Next we're going to add 3,331. So, 3,331, so that gives me 16,537. And lastly, we will add 780, so we'll add 780, and I get a final answer of 17,317. Okay, let's do another one here. Here we've got where we're going to start off with 8,738. Okay, and then we're going to add 6,468. There we go. And that gives me 15,206. All right, now we're going to subtract 493. So let's subtract 493. Okay, that gives me 14,713. Now we're going to add 424. So 424, that gives me 15,137. Then we're going to subtract 6,701. Okay, so we'll subtract 6,701, and that gives me 8,436. All right, now we're going to add 581, so now I have 9,017. And lastly, we're going to subtract 399. So 399, and I have final answer of 8,618. Okay, let's do one last example. Here we start with 165, and then we'll add 3,081. I have 3,246. Now we're going to subtract 585. And that gives me 2,661. And next we're going to add 310. That gives us 2,971. Now we'll add 5,320. So we want to add 5,320. That gives us 8,291. Next, we'll subtract 2,005 for 6,286. And lastly, we'll subtract 465. And that gives us a final answer of 5,821. So hopefully that all made sense to you, and feel free to go back and check on anything that you need to. But there's level 5 addition, and good luck with your training.